Alright, today is the day to put some new insulation right here. So, before we do that, I have some sound vibration cancellation dampening material. And what this is for is, in the early days, they started using these on the cars to eliminate the road noise. This right here, because it's a nice 90-degree curve, it was breaking on both sides, so I put some already on here and it looks pretty good, but I got some more and I'm going to put it on the bottom before I do the installation. So let me show you how that's done. Okay, first off, take the center off. And we're going to take all this out. You just peel it out just like this. Now this side is the sticky side, this side is not the side, hence they put the logo on there so you don't screw up. Now you can either cut around the tunnel to make it a nice fit, or you can just lay it directly on the tunnel. I'm going to lay it directly on the tunnel. And just like that. Now this stuff is easy to break off if you do not have scissors. Okay, there we go. Now, installation time. But before I put the insulation in, I see I got a little bit of vacuuming here to do after I lifted this up. And I got to cut the area here that is damaged from the rodents. So, let's get started. Anyone that's got their volume up, I suggest you turn it down now because it's going to get loud. Okay, see what I mean? This is the original Ford soundproof insulation that they put in there. And over time, it just breaks. It's almost a 50-year-old car, so the adhesive ability is gone. It's always good to put new stuff on your ride whenever you can. Now insulation is getting expensive, so I bought this 12-inch by 26-inch long insulation kit. The world is getting crazy with getting any type of vehicle part anymore. So you fold it out like so, and you just cut it where you need it, the section to be. For example, my section is going to be right here, just like that. Now I'm going to take the other part, put it right over the hump, and cover that over just like that. Now if you wanted to, you could tape this down, 3M double-sided tape, but I'm just going to leave it on here because it ain't really going to go nowhere. As soon as you get the seat on, it'll be good to go. And like so. Now remember to mark out where your seatbelt holes are if you are covering them up, but I'm not going to cover them up. And there we go. Don't really look too bad, if I do say so myself. That is it. That is all for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you would, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.